Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine at your home. Welcome back to your mathematics class. So, today we will revise a new chapter, Roman numerals. But very first, we will see the solution of previous homework. In previous class, I had given you to writing in ascending and descending order. So let's see. In previous class I had given you to some question in homework. So let's see the solution. Question number first is write in ascending order. We have to write these numbers in ascending orders. Ascending order means increasing order, means बढ़ते हुए क्रम में. That means सबसे छोटा फिर उससे बड़ा फिर उससे बड़ा, like this in increasing order. So let's see. In first there is 4 numbers. So ascending order of these numbers is smallest number among these numbers is 1024. So we will write 1024 firstly. Next smallest number is 1168. Next 3279, and greatest number is 4567. Okay, so first is in ascending order 1024, 1168, and 3279, and 4567. Okay, we can see here these numbers in increasing order. Number second means B. When we write it in ascending order, we get 2468, next 3249, 3456, and 6743. 2460 is the smallest number among these numbers, and 6743 is greatest number among these numbers. So this is ascending order of B. In C, here 1111 is smallest. Next smallest is 2222. Next is 3333, and largest number is 8888. Okay. Look at question number 2. Write in descending order. First is 7000, 7007, 7077, and 7077. So descending order means decreasing order. Descending order means decreasing order, means घटते हुए क्रम में. That means सबसे बड़ा फिर उससे छोटा और लास्ट में सबसे छोटा. Okay. So A, for writing descending order, we will choose the greatest number among these numbers. So 7777 is greatest number, so we will write it first. Next greatest is 7077. Next 7007, and next 7000. 7000 is smallest digit among these digits. Okay. Look at B. In B, 9872 is greatest number. Next greatest is 8853. Next 6767, and 853 is smallest number. So we will write it in last. So this is descending order. Look at C. In C, 9000 is greatest number among these numbers. So we will write it first 9000, next 6000, next 5000, and next 3000. 3000 is smallest digit, smallest number, so we will write it in last. So here, this is the solution of your previous homework. I hope you all have done your work, and now you have to match your answers with this solution. Okay? So now I am going to start our today's class. Today we will revise Roman numerals. In previous classes, I have already taught you Roman numerals. Okay? Today we will revise Roman numerals. Long ago, people of Rome had a different system of numbers. They didn't know about zero. Instead, they used 7 letters of the alphabet as a basic system and are used to write all numbers, that are I, V, L, X, C, D and M. पहले बहुत टाइम पहले रोम के लोगों द्वारा ये नंबर सिस्टम यूज़ किया जाता था, इसलिए इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, रोमन न्यूमरल, क्योंकि उनके पास जीरो का नॉलेज नहीं था। हम जानते हैं कि जीरो की खोज भारत द्वारा की गई है, तो रोम के लोगों के पास जीरो का नॉलेज नहीं था, इसलिए वो नंबर्स को राइट करने के लिए इन बेसिक 7 अल्फ़ाबेट्स का यूज़ करते थे। सो आई रिप्रेजेंट 1, V represent 5, X represent 10, L represent 50, C represent 100 and D represent 500 and M represent 1000. Using these 7 alphabets, they write all numbers. So we have to read in this class Roman numerals only I to L. Okay, it's mean we have to read only up to L. So there is some rule for forming numbers in Roman numerals. रोमन न्यूमरल्स के बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे कुछ रूल हैं जो हमको फॉलो करना होगा नंबर्स को रोमन न्यूमरल में राइट करने के लिए. सो लेट्स सी. Number first, to form larger number, I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. Repeating a letter repeats its value. किसी भी नंबर को, बड़े नंबर को बनाने के लिए हम I और X को 3 टाइम्स तक रिपीट कर सकते हैं, और जब हम इनको रिपीट करते हैं तो मीन्स इनकी वैल्यू भी रिपीट होती है. एज लाइक if I have written here I, so it's mean 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, X, so single X means 10, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Okay, but we cannot repeat any alphabet up to 4 times. It means we can repeat alphabet I and X up to 3 times. The letter V and L is never repeated. Means V and L letter कभी भी repeat नहीं होता है. A smaller numeral placed after one of the greater value is added to the greater numeral. A smaller numeral like I placed after one of the greater value means greater value के बाद ही हम इसको राइट करते हैं और I की वैल्यू को हम V की वैल्यू में ऐड कर देते हैं. एज आई हैव रिटन हियर V I मीन्स V प्लस I. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ V इज 5 and one value is 1, so 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, next, each I that comes after V and X adds 1 to the value of V and X. प्रत्येक I जो किसी भी V और X के बाद आता है उसमें हम 1 V या X में हम 1 को ऐड करते हैं. एज previous point, as I have written here, xi means the value of 1 I will be added in x. So the value of x is 10 and I value is 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Each I that comes before v and x, subtract 1 from the value of v or x. प्रत्येक i जो v और x के पहले आता है, जो v और x के पहले आता है वहाँ पे उस v और x में से हम i की वैल्यू को माइनस करते हैं. So I have written here I v means the value of v is 5 and I value is 1. So we will subtract 1 from 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next ix. Now here we have to subtract 1 from 10. The value of x is 10 and I value is 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. It means नंबर किसी v और x के बाद अगर हम i को राइट करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम i की वैल्यू को v और x में ऐड करेंगे, और अगर हम v और x के पहले इट मीन्स राइट साइड में i को लिखते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम i की वैल्यू को वहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज अ स्मॉलर न्यूमरल बिटवीन टू ग्रेटर numerals get subtracted from the numeral on its left. मीन्स कि अगर दो ग्रेटर न्यूमरल के बीच में एक स्मॉलर न्यूमरल है तो हम उसको उसके लेफ़्ट में जो न्यूमरल रहेगा उससे हम उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. ओके. सो हियर वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट i from v. Means we will subtract I value is 1 and v value 5. So 1 from 5. Okay. So the value of x is 10 and now we have to subtract I means 1 from 5. So 10 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Okay. And next xix. First x value is 10 and again now we will subtract 1 from 10. Next x value is 10. So we have to subtract I from x means 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Okay. So now can you write Roman numerals for the number 1 to 20? Using these rules we can write Roman numeral. So let us start from 1. So which alphabet is represent to 1? This is I. And for 2 we know we can repeat I up to 3 times. So for 2 we can write it I and I means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And for 3 we can write I up to 3 times. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Means 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. And for 4 we know we cannot repeat any alphabet more than 3 times. So what we will do here we can subtract 1 from 5. So for subtracting 1 from 5, for subtracting I from v, how we should write it? We should write I before v. We should write I before v because according to rule, when we write I before v, here the value of I will be subtracted from v means 5 minus 1. because v value is 5 and I value is 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, and for 5 we know v represent 5 and 6th. So here we can write 6th as a vi, okay, because the value of v is 5 and for 1, for I 1, so 5 plus 1 6, and for 7 v double I, v double I, it means 5 plus 1 plus 1. For 8 v I and I, 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And now can we write v I means 4 time I? No, we know we can't write it. So what we will do here, again we will write I and x, means I before x. So here I will subtract from x, means 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 means 9. And for 10, x represent 10. So here Roman numeral for the number 1 to 10. I hope you have understood it, and now this is time for your homework. You have also write Roman numerals using these rules. So you have to write it. You have to write the Roman numerals for the number 1 to 39. Okay, and you have to fill it in your book. Okay, thank you and God bless you.